Hi, my name is Chandni and my student ID is 303 77754. And today I'm going to discuss about our major project, MTech project 7415. It's the last sprint 3. Before that we are submitted sprint 1 and sprint 2. We are 3 members in our group. One is Shalu, another is Gagandeep, third one is me. So sprint 3 is basically is a group work, like a teamwork. So we have equal sharing, like we have shared all our work together. Before that, in sprint 1 and sprint 2 has a individual ties, like us in sprint 1 I go with the research. I search different research articles on NFSC in QR and tabless technology. In sprint 2 my contribution is if product backlog, like the user story, the problems which have occurred, then how to cope up with the problem with the visualization, like a YY diagram, to be model. That's all contribution, or that's all part done by me, and that all are submitted on 30th of May, before 30th of May 2021. And this is the last sprint 3, and after that we will come with the final PPT and the final write-up report, which is going to submit on 17th of June, and we already submit with the client before 17th of June. So what's the project? Project is about Aussie Group ID cards. That means that we are replacing paper ID card to the we touchless wireless ID card. So for that we are creating a QR code and NFSS technology. So this is a sprint backlog. So that's all the dates which we are starting and which is our end. So these we in this sprint team, the main purpose of this is that we created product demo that we are submitted to our client, user interfaces which we created different screen, and from where we are getting the QR code and tabless technology. So this is the user interface techniques. And first is that without information, that is our date of birth is wrong. So after going to the profile, we'll come with this screen, and here's the you check the name of the client wife. So here's the edit screen. After that, updated information. Now we'll go with the date of birth updation. So here is it, and the final date of birth information has been updated, and now it's the correct date. Before that's 1983, now it is 1985. And this is the original screen of the CRM. That first employee login the screen. After that it will ask for the pop-up the window. Then here is the edit screen. After editing this, we got this screen, and this is the QR code. Before that CRM don't have the QR code, but on this recommendation, this user story interference, they created the use, because we have to submit it in PPT, final PPT. So sprint 3 is after final PPT. So we already as implemented the user interfaces and get it the final result. So these are what are the recommendation. What if another person can access the personal detail of other? So these are the recommendation, that if it's a password protected, what is the use of QR code that is provided on the EID card? The EID card doesn't have a QR code. That can be desired application that is connected by the company CRM, through which information can be accessed and updated. What if the CRM system does have an option for displaying your everyday skills? Is the EID card also have some opinion to display the work schedule of every day that contains daily logs, tasks that are being performed till now. There are many such, like it will keep employees updated. The basically is the our software is to password protected, fast, and replace paper ID card with the latest technology touchless card. This is the main task. Thank you.